A lot of times questions come up about why should I continue with treatment when the doctor's told me there's nothing more that I can do for you, or that the doctor has discharged you from care. We believe it's very important for you to continue with your medical treatment, even when there doesn't seem to be anything that the doctor can do. And there are several reasons for this. Probably the primary reason is that we want to make sure there's a record of continuing complaints. One of the dilemmas that we run into is if you haven't been receiving treatment for several years and then you have a flare and you go back to try and get treatment within the workers' compensation system, the carrier will blame some other event as the cause or reason for your need for treatment, since you hadn't been getting any treatment for years. So by making sure that we have a record of continuing complaints, that argument is not available to the workers' compensation carrier. Another reason to continue to go back and receive periodic or intermittent care from a medical physician is that science changes, and so does the medical field. And where there may not have been treatments available or treatment protocols available when the doctor discharged you or said there was nothing more that could be done, things change. And it's possible that they have developed new cures or new medications or new forms of treatment that might be able to help you reduce or alleviate some of the pain that you're experiencing. So we want to make sure that you're staying up to date. Just because something isn't available now doesn't mean that it might not be available in 4 to 6 months later. And by continuing to get continuing medical care, it sends a message to the carrier that you still have a problem and that it's still going to cost them money to solve that problem. And we want to make sure that they know they're financially responsible for continuing medical care for the rest of your life.